How to remove end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Hello everyone and welcome to TikTok. There are so many videos on YouTube regarding deleting end-to-end conversation. All they do is delete the conversation. But this video is different. Here we will show you exactly how to remove end-to-end encryption. So first thing first, open your Messenger app. Now here on top left hand side of your screen, you will find this hamburger icon. So tap on it. And then you will see this pop-up. So here on top right hand side of your screen, you will find this settings icon. So tap on it. Now scroll down and here you will find this option privacy and safety, so tap on it and then you will see this page. So here on middle of your screen you will find this option end-to-end encrypted chat, so tap on it and then you will see this page. So here on top of your screen you will find this option message storage, so tap on it. Now here on middle of your screen you will find this option more options, so tap on it. And then you will see this option auto sync. So all you need to do is turn it off. So simply tap on it to turn it off. And then you will see this pop up. Are you sure you want to delete? So tap on yes. And now go back. And here on bottom of your screen you will find this option turn off checker storage. So tap on it. And then you will see this pop up turn off checker storage. So here you can see it says any new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be backed up remotely. So simply tap and continue. And as soon as you do this, Messenger will successfully delete your end-to-end encrypted chats. So this is how you can remove end-to-end encryption from Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.